Quizmaster.
Hello, kids. Welcome to our question words quiz game. Today, we will practice using words like what, where, who, when, why, and these words help us ask questions and find answers. Are you ready to be questioned? Word masters, let's begin. Instructions: read each sentence carefully. Choose the correct question word. What, where, when, who, how, why. Only one answer is correct. Number 1. Blank is your name. Number 2. Blank is your best friend. Number 3. Blank. Do you live? Number 4. Blank. Is the teacher in your class? Number 5. Blank. Are you happy? Number 6. Blank is your favorite color? Number 7. Blank is knocking on the door. Number 8. Blank is your birthday? Number 9. Blank is sitting next to you? Number 10. Blank is making that sound? Number 11. Blank is your back? Number 12. Blank. Are you going after school? Number 13. Blank. Do you eat breakfast? Number 14. Blank. Is your favorite subject? Number 15. Blank is calling you on the phone? Number 16. Blank. Are you late? Number 17. Blank. Is the boy in the red shirt? Number 18. Blank. Do you go to school every day? Number 19. Blank is under the table? Number 20. Blank is your teacher? It's checking time. Number 1. The correct answer is B. What? What is your name? Number 2. The correct answer is A. Who? Who is your best friend? Number 3. The correct answer is A. Where? Where do you live? Number 4. The correct answer is B. Who? Who is the teacher in your class? Number 5. The correct answer is A. Why? Why are you happy? Number 6. The correct answer is B. What? What is your favorite color? Number 7. The correct answer is A. Who? Who is knocking on the door? Number 8. The correct answer is A. When? When is your birthday? Number 9. The correct answer is A. Who? Who is sitting next to you? Number 10. The correct answer is A. What? What is making that sound? Number 11. The correct answer is A. Where? Where is your bag? Number 12. The correct answer is A. Where? Where are you going after school? Number 13. The correct answer is B. When? When do you eat breakfast? Number 14. The correct answer is A. What? What is your favorite subject? Number 15. The correct answer is A. Who? Who is calling you on the phone? Number 16. The correct answer is A. Why? Why are you late? Number 17. The correct answer is A. Who? Who is the boy in the red shirt? Number 18. The correct answer is A. How? How do you go to school every day? Number 19. The correct answer is A. What is under the table? Number 20. The correct answer is B. Who? Who is your teacher? Great work, kids. You did an awesome job practicing question words. Remember, question words help you ask and learn new things. What, where, when, who, why, and how. Keep practicing, and you'll be a question word expert in no time. See you in our next quiz.